The 2004 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, power brakes, clock, fog lights, power door locks, power windows, daytime running lights, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.